So let me show you the easiest way to do that. Let's create a new list in ACY mailing, and for now I would call it like Symposium 2018 email campaign, something like this. Okay, and then we'll just save this for now, and then let's go to users mass actions, and here let's apply a filter. So this process is actually to place all the users in ACY mailing to that particular list that we just now created. So if you want to place all the users, all the ACY mailing users to that list, then I'm going to show you how to do that. Of course, you can apply these filters and put only certain users in that list, but let me show you how to put all the users. So let's see, ACY mailing field, let's see what's there. There are altogether 25,738 users, and we would just only put the enabled users. So enabled equal 1, that means all enabled users. And again, so ACY mailing field, and let's say, and here accept equals 1, so that this makes sure that we include only those users who have agreed to receive emails, because sometimes when a user unsubscribe from all the list, we don't want to include those users. So this is important, and you can apply all other filters as well according to a requirement. And then to these users, what are we going to do? We are going to subscribe all those users in that list that we just created. So for that, I think it is a list, and subscribe to this list. Subscribe users to this list, and now process. Okay, so this many users have been subscribed to this list. To confirm, we can come to list, and here you can see all the users have been subscribed to this list. Now let's say, for example, you sent a newsletter about Symposium 2018 to this list of users. You sent first email to this one. So far so good. Now after a week or so, you are going to send second email to the same list, and by then a few users have already registered for that event. So you need to remove those registered users from this list, right? And that's your main concern. So you for that, we can again come to mass actions, and then now we filter this event booking, and so not all registrants, only the registrants from, I think this is the event, so only the registrant from this event. So that's altogether this many users, and like you can apply this as well if you want to target any particular status, but I think it's you are going to exclude all the registrants of this event. So that's together 216 users who registered for this event. So to these users, you want to remove these users from that list. So ACY mailing list, and you don't want to unsubscribe, right? Because they have not unsubscribed. You want to simply remove these users from this list. So now you just process this, and when you process this, that means these users who already registered for this event will be removed from this email list. And then that means this email list, this newsletter list, is going to contain only those users who have not yet registered for this event. So let's process this. And it can take a few minutes, maybe a minute or two, I think. And once this is processed, that means all these users will be removed. So this many users have been removed from this list. So now if you go to this list, so these are the users who have not registered for that event, and then you can simply send an email to this list, and then it will make sure that this email won't go out to the users who have already registered for that event. So this is how it works. Thank you.